I just came back from the lunch, and during the lunch I saw that Claude just launched their design feature. So I don't know what it is about, but I wanted to record with you. So they have their own landing page, and so it feels like there were a bunch of skills on GitHub that people were sharing to upload those skills, and I really feel like it's like a combination of all those skills in one, design tabs. I just don't know yet if it's gonna be like a separate, like a Claude Code, co-work and chat. We're gonna explore more, but I'm very excited because I just had a conversation about, LLM's design skills yesterday with my, like a team freelance group that we have, that I attend. I want to see how it looks like, and I actually opened the tab, but then let me try to reopen and see this one because I have, and console, I wasn't here, so I think you have to scroll down, and they had, yeah, so you scroll down, start designing with Claude AI Design, and it's gonna show, I think, how to install. I hope so, at least. This is the intro. Import your team, make your prototypes. This is perfect. Yeah, really nice. I've been designing couple things with not couple things actually, websites and basic marketing materials. It was not bad so far, and I'm really excited to see the capabilities of this one, how much it can do. The way it was doing before, it would have to create HTML file, then it will take like a screenshot of it and resize. It would have to resize of course the HTML file as well. At the beginning, before we did it, it had problems, it would cut off at the end because the HTML size was not fitting into like what I needed, for example, like a post, etc. So, okay, learn about Claude design, quick tutorial. I really want to see, because this is my first time using it. Design specifically, I use Claude Chat with projects, of course, and co-work and Claude Code, all of them, mostly Claude Code. Product mockups, interactive prototypes, wireframes, landing pages, brand assets, just exploring. Yeah, let's do just exploring, because I actually like to do all of this, and I work with all of this, and I myself code, so I don't need a dev handle for sure. Bring your context, drop images or paste screenshots. So okay, so here I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna find images that I wanna include to see how it's gonna work. I'm gonna pause the video and I'll start after I upload. Okay, so it says you all set. I don't know, I didn't upload anything. Point at what to change, click comment. Okay, this is perfect. Pointing at what to change, because before I had to screenshot that specific area where I wanted to change the text or the visual, or whether like the line would be cut off, and this is really very handy. Sketch an idea. The napkin tool lets you draw a rough layout freehand. Claude reads your sketch and turns it into real design. Okay, I need to know what's the tool. Start with slides, pick slide deck when you create a project, and describe your deck. Okay, Claude builds the full presentation, layout, content, speaker notes in one pass. Perfect. It does. We have created a couple of slides, and it was very helpful for pitch decks specifically. But whenever you need like more detailed, or like some of my clients have decks that require to install more pictures and explanations, like clients in healthcare, it's not always great, so you still need to change things around. Mock it up. Designs mode starts with quick wireframe exploration before committing to high fidelity. Say what the screen does. Claude sketches option. Okay, I need to understand this one. Unless I see how it's done, I won't be able to understand. Make it interactive. Prototype mode builds real working app. State transitions, API calls, prototype. Looks fun. Let's try to do it. One thing I'm seeing is when you go here, prototype, select from template, it has the animation part, and let's see what it has. Create a project first, then convert it into a template via share menu. Okay, so create from template. Project name. Animation. So it has design system, add screenshot, attach code base, drag a Figma file. Let me try to add a couple of screenshots, and I'm gonna try to do it for one of my clients' work, and we'll see how it's gonna come out. So I actually decided to drop several carousel posts that I never posted before and see if it can, and I'm gonna send it to the project and see if it can do anything. Animate. Quick questions about the so reels, total length, decide for me, which slides animate, all slides, decide for me. Let's do if we all choose decide for me, so we can see what are the outputs can be. So I just wanted to start working on it. It looks pretty cool. I'm gonna pause it and come back to you to see what it came up with. And yeah, so it did quite quickly, but we will see the results. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it looks like. For me, I was just telling it how I feel. It's like design, it's all platforms, several platforms, talk to each other and created something beautiful. And of course it has some remotion elements in it, and you've seen the screenshots that I uploaded, and this is what it came up with. Please don't mind the text, the font size, etc., because I just gave the random screenshots of the post. It's literally animated JPEG files that I had. This is pretty cool. This is something we didn't have before. And I can tweak the speed here, make it slower, read lines to show. Like, it's really cool. I think all of you need to try it out. At least try it with the just screenshots of what you wanted to talk about, and then try the animation. But for me, it's like that the remotion that I was just using yesterday, this is what it came up with. I think it is pretty nice tool they created. I will be able to follow up after working with it for at least a week. I'm gonna work with it next week, and I'm gonna try to create several paid ads, images and videos for my client, and see how it's gonna look. Thank you, bye.